again with another video. I'm here to present you the PNI Escort 6500. This is our bestseller. So take the time with me. I'll present you this classic CB radio. Might take a while to unbox it, but hey ho. So there we go. Box is empty. So what we got here? Got the classic instruction manual. Let me see what we got. Right, so we got a PNI logo. Got my shop, car electronics. Got some paperwork that you don't need at all. You'll probably need that. So that's the instruction manual. When you've got time, you can go through with it. So let's see what we got here. As I mentioned before, PNI 6500 is our bestseller. It comes with a small case. It's a standard 4 watts. I will take it slow. Here it is. Pretty small. I really like it. What is handy about it is you can actually fit it everywhere in the car. You can go in the booth as well. Pretty nice. It comes with a cigarette lighter included. What else we got here? Some few accessories that we'll use. Over here we've got very handy. Weight on it, maybe like 500-600 grams, so less than a kilo. It's pretty cool. What is good about this CB is the price, and it's a pretty good radio. I mean, consider it's our bestseller. So PNI started with a CB radio 8000. That's how we launched the CB range, but 6500, this is our bestseller. We do sell quite a lot in the United States. Consider they use amateur radio there. But 6500 is pretty good, cheap. We've got in stock, it's a kit 7120 that comes with the antenna as well, but the price is different. So probably on my next video we can go into details more. This is a short brief about the PNI 6500 antenna. Thank you for taking the time with me today, and hope to see you soon.